idea comes to us from Edible Gardening, and we are going to be experimenting with doing an upside down planter. Many plants will grow upside down. This is great when you've got tight space and not a lot of gardening area. You're going to need a grown-up to help you with cutting the bottle and getting it ready, but we'll go step by step. I'm going to be planting a bell pepper plant today. First thing you're going to do is reuse an old 1 or 2 liter bottle. You're going to need a grown-up to help you cut the top. You want to be very, very careful with this part because we don't want anybody getting hurt fingers. The next thing you're going to want to do is take some duct tape and work your way around the top, because you want to make sure that you are going to not cut yourself when you are watering. You want a nice smooth edge. So you're going to want to put a hole on either side so that it's even. So you're going to take your 3-hole punch, slide it in, and this is what we're going to need to be able to hang it. So I'm going to go straight across to the other side. And now you're ready to plant your plant. So today we are going to plant an orange bell pepper. I love bell peppers, and if you follow my blog, we'll talk about some of the reasons that eating more plant-based foods is important. They're really tasty, they're sweet, they go so well in salads, they go well in casseroles, in tacos, in pizza. You can use them just about anywhere. So let's plant our bell pepper. Remove the plant from the pot, and I'm going to suggest as you do it, get your fingers down in it, and you're going to gently make sure you have a spot that you can pour the extra dirt into because you can use it later. And you're going to want to get the extra stuff off because we're going to put it back in a moment, but to get it through the bottle, you need to have nice, skinny. So we're going to come from this end of the bottle where the cap is, and we're going to slowly bring those roots in. I'm going to put my plant very gently that way and start by feeding the roots in through the opening. So once you feed it in, you want to pull it so that the stalk is going to be right up at the top, and you're going to turn it upside down. Now comes the time to fill this with that nice dirt. And I have a cup, so tamp it down, make sure your soil is in nice and firm. You're going to add a little bit more. And then we're going to go hang up our pepper plant. Nice spot right here, perfect for hanging my plants. They'll get direct sun, and we will add water to them and see how they grow. You've got many great book choices for Earth Day, including Edible Gardening, Harlem Grown. There's Farmer Will's Growing Table, The Good Garden, The Ugly Vegetables, and Errol's Garden. Happy Earth Day and happy reading.